Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete a partition or how to delete a drive in your PC. So it will work on all versions of Windows, whether you have Windows 10, 7, 8.1 or Windows 11. Just do a right click in the start icon and click on Run. And here type disk mgmt.msc. Once you have typed it, click on OK. So here the disk management is open. Let me open the file explorer and see what all are my drives. I'll just click on this PC and here I have this new volume D 5 GB and I want to delete this drive. I want to delete this partition. So here I have C drive and D drive the same. So what you need to do is to do a right click on that particular drive which you want to delete and then click on delete volume. And before I do that, I'll show you. Currently you see Windows C 232 GB, healthy 260 MB, and this is almost 5 GB and 1 GB is the healthy recovery partition. So I'm going to delete this D drive and I'll click on delete volume. I'll just do a right click and I'll click on delete volume, and deleting this volume will erase all data on it. Back up any data you want to keep before you're deleting. Do you want to continue? So if you have backed up and if you do not have anything on that drive, you can delete that. So I'll click on yes and then I'll click on again yes. So the moment I do it, I can see there is a unallocated space. So if I go to this Windows Explorer, I'll go to this PC. I do not have this drive anymore. However, this space is still there and it is unused. So to use that, you can create a new simple volume or you can extend volume like that. So you can extend this volume. You can see it is here 499 and currently I have this C drive 232 GB and I'll just do a right click and I'll click on extend volume. And I'll click on next, and now it is 237 GB. So this is how you can delete volume and you can use that space in your C drive. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I really need your support, and please leave a comment, please, if you have successfully done that. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.